How do I sign up for OnlyFans?
Hello everyone! Are you interested in joining the community of creators and fans on OnlyFans? If yes, then this video is for you. Today, we'll be walking through the step-by-step process of signing up for an OnlyFans account.
What is OnlyFans?
OnlyFans is a platform that allows content creators to monetize their influence. Creators can earn money from the fans who subscribe to their content, the fans, in OnlyFans. It's not exclusively for adult content. Many creators share fitness videos, cooking classes, and other types of expertise.
What do you need to sign up?
To sign up for OnlyFans, you'll need the following: a valid email address, your real name, your chosen username and password, a clear digital copy of a government-issued photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license, a Twitter account. This is optional, but can help with account verification. Please remember that you must be at least 18 years old to create an OnlyFans account.
How to create your account?
Follow these steps to create your account. 1. Open the OnlyFans website on your browser. 2. Click on the Sign Up button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the web page. 3. Enter your email address, password, and username. 4. Check the box to agree to the terms of service. 5. Click on the Sign Up button to submit your registration.
How to verify your account?
After signing up, you'll need to verify your account. Here's how. 1. Once you've created your account, go to your Settings. 2. Click on the Account section. 3. Here, you'll be asked to submit a digital copy of your photo ID for verification. 4. Upload a clear, readable copy of your ID. 5. Wait for your account to be verified. This usually takes a few days. Remember that verifying your account is crucial as it helps to keep the OnlyFans community secure. It also enables you to start earning from your content. And there you have it. That's how you sign up for an OnlyFans account. Remember, content creation is a powerful tool. Use it wisely, and happy creating. Always keep in mind the platform's guidelines and be respectful towards your audience. Enjoy your journey on OnlyFans.